Hi friends, how are you all? Unbox English welcomes you as usual, and your Subbalakshmi is with another story today. This is a fish in the sky. Okay, so you'll be wondering what fish that is. Okay, so just if you want to subscribe, do it please. Okay, and share it with your friends. Press the bell icon also. Okay, ma. So I think all of you will be interested in knowing which fish has gone to the heights of the sky. You just see in the big ocean there was a mother fish, and mother fish had so many other fish coming around it. And she was telling them, "Come with me, let us enjoy, let us enjoy." They were enjoying. But what happened? One little fish alone said, "Mom, Mummy, please, I want to see the earth. How long do you want me to be in the water? Always. You want me to be here?" The mother said, "Oh, my little one, my darling, please don't ever think of going to the earth. People are there, human beings are there. This is our world. So once we leave this water, we will die, da." So when she said that, she was so curious. The little one was very curious. No, nothing will happen. I will go. So immediately what she did? A net was thrown. Voluntarily, the little one went into it by somebody. Okay, some fisherman. So, my God, it was dragged. Mother was shouting here, and she went off there. The little one went off along with the net, and he just had it on the sand. She wanted to touch the sand and see, so she jumped away from it. Within a very short notice, very short time, an eagle came from the sky and just it caught hold of it. It went, it flew high very immediately. So she didn't know what to do. She started crying. She said, "Eagle, please, please, Eagle." With an intention of seeing the world, I came out. I wanted to see the earth, that's all. My mummy told me not to go. But without her knowledge, I came here. So that's why I'm facing you. So I think I will be. No, 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 don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. The eagle says, "Why did you come?" "I wanted to see the earth." "Oh, that's all. See, I will show you the sky also. The sky, moon, sun, all the beautiful stars." "Oh God, really? You'll show me everything?" That little fish did not think that it would die also. Okay, without water. She was holding and it was talking, talking, talking. All within no time. Everything happened within no time. When she asked this, when she's tempted, when the eagle tempted the little one, it said, "Okay, you show me everything. I want to see." It was eagerly waiting. Desire. Okay, such confusions. It had what to do, what to do, what to do. But eagle said, "Don't worry, you will see all those things. Don't worry. Don't worry at all. I'll show you everything. But one small difficulty, the thing is, you will not see them through your eyes. Through your eyes. You will see them through my eyes. You know how? I'm going to devour you now. I'm going to eat you now. I'll eat, you will be there in my tummy, and from my tummy you will see them." Oh God, my God, this is going to eat me. That means this eagle is going to kill me. Only now the little one realizes. But she was shrewd enough, okay? It said, "Oh, eagle, that's a great thing. That's a great thing. You want to eat me? I am so happy. You are going to show me all those things now. I'll give you a lot of other fish also. My friends are there. My sisters and brothers are there. Please, let us go there. I'll give you so many, so many, so many fish to eat. Come, come, come with me." So it was flying, flying, flying. Within no time, they came to to the ocean, to the space there. So as it flew there, it opened its mouth. Oh, such a lot of fish! The eagle just opened very eagerly to have more and more. This one came down. Oh, the little one started so laughing. At last, it had a deep breath, but it got good breath and it went to mummy. She said, "This foolish eagle wanted to kill me, ma. Now I have come back. I have come back to you." She said, "See, I told you not to do it. Okay? Our limit is only water, not that one. We should not get confused. Once we get confused, such things will happen. But it is good that you were directing the eagle in the right way and you came back here. That I appreciate. But this confusion should not be there. Okay? This is the first and last time that you are disobeying me," she said. She said, "It was a good lesson, mummy." So the disappointed eagle flew away. Okay? In the Bhagavad Gita, there is a saying, a confused mind will ramble everywhere. Will ramble. You feel like doing this, that. Nothing will be channelized. Nothing will be focused. It's a confused mind. You may wonder whether to have the war or not, whether to do this or not, whether to study or not. Yeah, such confusions will be there, as Arjuna had. So for such confusions, what you have to do it very immediately. You have to arrest it and get back and hold the anchor in your hand. Okay, getting back the mind in your hand is the best thing. So this is what is told in the Bhagavad Gita. So whenever you are confused, very immediately get back your mind. Catch your mind, get it back to the normalcy. That is very important, very, very important. And concentration should be on your subject, whatever it is. This is what is uh, the work that I have to do. I will concentrate on that. I should not ramble. I should not go here and there. I should not be roaming mentally. So let me have a focused thought. Confusion should not be there. Okay? Every child should think, every morning you think of God and tell him, please show me what I have to do today. Okay? For 2 minutes you think. You will know, I have to play during this time, I have to study during this time, I have to help my mom this time, I have to help my father this time, and I have to read some books now, and I have to do exercise, and this is my outdoor game time. Okay, and evening I have to do prayer and studies once again, and I have to have nice sleep, and I have to think of having good food, everything. Okay, so he will show you the right way. Okay, kids, hope you understand. Bhagavad Gita doesn't say anything confusing, it wants us to come away from our confusion. So have clear mind, hold God Almighty, He will show you the best way. Okay, so let us all learn this from the fish in the sky. Bye, kids.